committed, you are patient.
Mawuzinikelile uyabekezela.
You won't be found gathering what would corrode,
Angeke uzithole usuhlanganisa into ezobola.
disregarding the righteous one,
Bese ulahla lowo
and condemning
olungileyo.
him.
Umlahle futhi ungasamnaki.
And you end up unaga isiliva negolide. Let's go.
The farmer waits expectantly for the precious harvest from the land, being patient about it.
Being patient about it. Being consistent. Every day we are lima.
Kuzonke
Every day we are
ngokuqhubekayo.
consistency.
Eqhubeka
He has
njalo.
committed himself to the garden.
Uzinikelile kuloku kulima.
We are lima every day. We are far. We are listen. Consistent. Dedicated.
Uzinikele.
Patiently waiting
Elinde ngokubekezela.
for harvest.
Elinde ukuvuna.
No corruption.
Akuna kunakala.
Let's go.
Being patient about it until it receives the early and late rains.
Early and late rain.
Verse 8. You too be patient.
You too be patient.
Nani ke bekezela.
Meaning be committed.
Ukushuthi zinikeleni.
Be committed. You
Zinikeleni.
can't be patient without being committed.
Angeke uzubekezela ungakazinikeli.
If you are committed,
Mawuzinikele.
you have not taken an oath.
Usengakathathi
Where
isifungo.
there's an oath, there's no patience.
La kunesifungo khona kunakubekezela.
You can change your yes to a no.
Ungawuguqula uyebo wakho
Because you are
ngeucha.
not patient.
Ngoba
You're
ubekezela.
not patiently waiting for God's blessing.
Awulindanga ngokubekezela
You're not
isibusiso
patiently waiting for
sikaNkulunkulu.
God's time.
Awusilindanga ngokubekezela isikhathi
You operate with an
sikaNkulunkulu.
oath.
Usebenza ngokwesifungo.
Now your submission becomes fade, a corroded
Ukuzithoba kwakho
corroded submission.
ukuzithoba kwakho sekubolile.
What happens? That erosion in your submission will
Lokho
consume
kubola
you.
kwakho ekuzithobeni kwakho kuyokugwinya.
Thinking you are still submitted, and you are being you are being consumed by your erosion
Kanti cha ugwinywa yiloku kubola kwakho.
in your submission.
Kuloko kuzithoba kwakho.
You are not aware that kuyaphela now
Awunakile.
because you have lost commitment.
Ngoba ulahlekelwe nje ukuzinikela.
Awusakhona ukuma, you can't wait upon the Lord. So uzobona ngathi uNkulunkulu ungoshela isikhathi. The man of God ungoshela isikhathi. No, mina ngaye isikhathi sami sesifikile. Be aware of corrosion.
Qaphela ukubola.
Be aware
Qaphela.
of operating on a ground that does not know patience.
Qaphela ukuba ungasebenza emhlabathini ongakwazi
It will
ukubekeza.
not experience early and the late rain.
Angeke uze wazane nezimvula zesikhathi samanje nesamuva.
You might have an early rain but not have the latter.
Kungenzeka uthola imvula yamanje kodwa ungayitholi ezayo.
Let's go, continue.
You too be patient. Strengthen your hearts.
Strengthen your heart. Don't faint.
Niqinise
Don't lose
inhliziyo
heart.
zenu.
Strengthen your heart.
Ningaphelelwa inhliziyo.
How do you strengthen your heart?
Uyiqinisa kanjani na inhliziyo
By
yakho?
committing, being
Ukuzinikela.
patient.
Ulinde ngokubekezela.
Your heart will be strengthened.
Inhliziyo yakho iyoqina.
You will not lose heart.
Angeke ulephelelwe inhliziyo.
Corrosion will not consume you.
Ukubola ngeke kugwinye.
You will not carry a corroded heart.
Angeke uphathe inhliziyo egwinyiwe.
Physically ungathi umuntu right but the heart seyibolile. Ubona umuntu wena kanti adala abolile lo muntu. If you are in the spirit you will see this is a lavishious life. But in the heart
Mawumoya. Uzombona ukuthi cha uphila impilo obuthebelele kodwa
it's
enhliziyweni
rotten. They are no longer following God.
ubolile abasamlandeli inhlobo uNkulunkulu.
They are following their desires.
Sebalandela inkanuko zabo.
They are becoming earthly committees.
Sebaba ngamakomiti nje omhlaba.
God?
Strengthen your hearts. Keep them energized
Keep them energized.
Zigcine isemandleni.
and firmly committed to God.
Woo, no. Firmly committed to God.
Bese nizinikela kuNkulunkulu ngokuqina.
Firmly committed to God.
Ngokuqina nizinikele.
With an energized heart.
Inhliziyo egcwele
Knowing
umdla.
how to be patient.
Wazi
Knowing how to wait.
Wazi ukulinda.
You don't wait using an oath
Awulindi ngokusebenzisa isifungo.
that will later turn into a no.
Kamuva esingaguquka sibe ucha.
It will be a corroded submission
Kuzoba kuzithoba okubolileyo.
where erosion is found.
Lapho khona kutholakala ukugwinyeka nokukhukhuleka.